Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Sushmita's Diaries. Today I'm sharing the correct way of preparing 100% organic and natural flaxseed gel with that perfect consistency, and you will learn a few secret tips as well. Most people complain that it is very difficult to extract flaxseed gel, but today I'm going to share a few tips to make it super easy for you, so watch this video till the end. But before we begin, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. Begin with choosing good quality organic flaxseed. Secret number 1 is always remember that to attain that perfect consistency, the ratio of flaxseed to water should be 1:4. Most of the time it happens that people work with less water and the gel turns out to be very hard or super difficult to extract. So we will stick to this ratio. Here for around 250 grams or 1 cup of flaxseed, I will use 4 cups of water. If you are using just half cup of flaxseed, then adjust the water accordingly, but stick to this ratio. And use a heavy bottom pan so that the gel doesn't stick or burn. Throughout the process, keep the flame on medium and wait for the mixture to come to a boil. After 5 to 6 minutes or so, it will all come to a boil. And this is exactly when the seeds start releasing the gel. So keep stirring continuously and check the consistency. A sticky solution has begun to form, and notice how the last drop comes out very slowly. This indicates that the gel has been extracted well into the pan. So after the first boil, it took us roughly 2 to 3 minutes. And we do not need to cook it any further. This is a common mistake which people do, is to keep cooking it more and more. Beyond this point, the gel will get too thick to be extracted. So switch off the flame at this point. Secret number 3 is to extract the gel while the mixture is still hot. Yes, once it starts cooling down, it becomes very difficult to separate the gel. I'm using a clean cloth to extract the gel. You can also go for a large sieve or a chhanna. Since this entire solution is pretty hot, so be careful around this time. Here we have used around 250 grams of flaxseed gel, and with this much quantity, we can get easily around 500 grams of gel. Yes, that's correct. And once you have prepared the first batch, you can put these cooked seeds back into the pan and repeat the entire method to retain even more gel. Yes, the consistency and the texture of flaxseed gel is almost similar to aloe vera gel, and this can be used for hair straightening and deep conditioning treatments. I have shared videos earlier on how to do keratin hair treatment at home using flaxseed gel. The link to the same video is given in the description box. Store this gel in an airtight container inside the fridge, away from moisture, and it will stay good and fresh for up to 2 weeks. So guys, I really hope that you found this video useful. Do share it with your friends, and I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.